In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a video call on Google Meet with just 3 easy steps. It's simple, straightforward, and a great way to connect with friends or colleagues virtually. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to host your own video meetings without a hitch. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is go to Google Meet. If you're sitting at your computer, open your web browser and type meet.google.com into the address bar. Hit enter and you'll land on the Google Meet homepage. This is where all the magic begins. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do so now. Without being signed in, some features might be restricted, and we want to ensure you have full access to all the tools available to you. Now, with Google Meet open before you, the next thing you want to do is locate the New Meeting button. This button is typically found towards the center of the page, highlighted to catch your attention. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with different options. For our purpose today, we'll want to click on Schedule in Google Calendar. This selection will automatically redirect you to Google Calendar, opening a new event that's synchronized with Google Meet. Once you're in Google Calendar, it's time to create your meeting. Here, you'll be prompted to input various details about your meeting event. In the title field, give your meeting a descriptive name, something that makes it easy for everyone to recognize. Below that, select your desired date and time. If it's a work meeting, double check that it doesn't clash with any other commitments for you and your participants. Google Calendar will usually suggest any known conflicts, which can be super helpful. Next, scroll down to the Guests section if you're planning to invite others directly from Google Calendar. Enter the email addresses of the people you wish to invite. This ensures they receive an email notification with all the details and a link to join the meeting. Once everything is filled out and your event looks good, go ahead and click on the Save button found at the top right corner of the page. After saving your event, you'll be taken back to the main calendar view. Find your newly created event, click on it, and you'll see the Google Meet link. Simply copy this link and share it with additional participants via your preferred method, whether that's email, chat, or another communication tool. And there you have it, you're all set up for your Google Meet video call. Whether it's for personal use or professional purposes, having this skill is incredibly handy and versatile. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.